Hi.
Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Ziwin.
Zwin?
Ziwin.
Zawin? Okay.
Ziwin.
Okay, Zwin who?
Ziwin had his son.
Okay. Where are you from, Zwin?
UK Leeds.
UK Leeds. And who's this?
Zhekal.
Zhekal. And where are you from, Zhekal?
What?
Where are you from?
England.
England. Okay. This is your first time to be to my clinic?
Yeah.
Yeah? Would you tell me about your experience? How was it?
Good.
Good. Did you like it?
Yeah.
What have you seen?
Stuff.
Stuff. What stuff did you see?
Nice stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Did you see the pen that was from England?
Yes.
Okay. Did it hurt?
No.
No? What about you? Did I use the pen for you? That was from the aliens that I used number 2? Did it hurt? Yeah? No, it didn't. Okay. You have been to dentist in Leeds also?
Yeah.
Okay, which one do you like more? Here or in Leeds?
Here.
Here. Okay, you like here? Okay. And what about the magic? Okay, I'm going to give you this. You can chop directly. Okay. Okay. Did you like the magic?
No.
Yeah? What was the special thing about the magic?
Magic.
Yeah?
You
Did you like the lights when they come out or they disappeared?
coming out.
Coming out. What about you? What was the best part about today's experience? Already. So you're going to visit me also next
Yeah.
week? Yeah?
Probably.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
These were Ziwin and Zhekal. They are from England, Leeds, and they came to our clinic. And thank that we have their teeth. Thank you very much. Love you.